Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing a video on how I got this look right here. I actually posted I posted a picture, and on the last video that I did, I was wearing this makeup look, and so many people loved it and they wanted to see a tutorial on how I did this look, so I figured I'd go ahead and do one. I actually got this look, it was inspired by the makeup that Kim Kardashian was wearing on I believe it was like the release of the KKW and Mario eyeshadow palette. I believe that's when she was wearing it, but yeah, that's where I got the inspiration from. So yeah, and if you want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. Again, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to get notified when I upload videos, and check me out on my social medias as well, because I constantly post on there and I always keep everyone up to date on when I post new videos and things like that. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, just keep watching. Bye. Hi guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is start by priming my eyes. As always, I'm using the MAC Prep+Prime highlighter. I am using the color Light Boost. Now I just want to make sure to put that all over my eyelid and then just blend it out using a beauty blender. Okay, so once I am done doing that, I am going to use the Morphe 350 Natural Glow palette. As you can see, I'm going to use a very cool tone brown. And I'm just going to apply that right over my lid using a blending brush. I'm going to take it right almost to my brow bone. Now, you just want to make sure to build that color on there. And that's going to kind of be our transition color. Okay, so once I'm done applying that, I am going to go ahead and take that darker brown and I'm going to apply it right on my crease. I am also doing that with a blending brush, and that's going to be more to give that eye a little bit more dimension. Since it is a darker color, you want to make sure that you blend that out. Then I'm going to be applying the color black, and that's going to be a base for that blue eyeshadow. The black that I'm using is from the Jaclyn Hill palette. Now, applying the black is a really good trick I learned because it's a really dark base, so it's really going to make that blue eyeshadow pop when you put it on there. And of course, once you're finished applying that, you just want to make sure to blend everything out so that you don't have any harsh lines, so that everything looks natural and seamless. The blue eyeshadow that I'm going to be applying is the Loreal Infallible eyeshadow. This is the shade 760, which is Timeless Blue Spark. I am gonna go and pack that onto my lid with a synthetic brush. Keep in mind, this eyeshadow does have a lot of fallout, but that is nothing to worry about. We are gonna go ahead and clean that up later on in the video. Once I've applied that onto my lid, then I'm just gonna take a shadow brush and just raise that up a little bit higher onto my crease. So once I am done doing that, I am going to take my blending brush and blend everything out, because I want it to be a smooth transition from that blue to the brown so it looks natural. And then once I am done blending that out, I'm just going to go ahead and intensify that blue a little bit, just until I get the best color that I want, and just keep blending and applying until I get the best look. Okay, so here I'm just using some makeup remover just to wipe up that excess fallout. The one that I am using is the Clinique makeup remover. So I am going to go ahead and line my waterline. I am using a blue liner, which I have no idea where it's from. Then taking a flat liner brush, I'm going to use that blue eyeshadow from Loreal and just apply that right under my lashes. I am going to drag that all the way till the end, kind of like if it was to be a wing liner. Alright, so then I am going to go back in with my eyeshadow brush just to intensify that blue a little bit more, just so I get the look that I want. And then of course, just make sure to blend everything out. Alright, and for my lashes, I am going to be applying mascara. I am using the Benefit Cosmetics They're Real mascara. I am going to be applying that to my upper and lower lashes. I did apply some false lashes with this look off camera. The lashes that I used was the Ardell Wispy lashes. Alright, and now to start taking care of this skin, we are going to use the Farsali Unicorn Essence Serum. And I'm really going to make sure to go ahead and massage that onto my skin, just so that I have a nice and glowy look. And once I've gone ahead and let that dry on my face, then I'm going to go ahead and use my Marc Jacobs primer. This is the face coconut primer, and I'm just going to prime my face. And now for foundation, I am going to be using the Marc Jacobs Full Coverage Foundation. This is the shade 36, which is beige golden. As you can see, I started out blending that with my Artiste oval brush, but I just felt like it wasn't giving me the best outcome, so I then went ahead and started to blend that out with a beauty blender, which I felt like blended out the foundation much better. Okay, so once I'm done doing that, to conceal and highlight, I am using the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. The shade that I'm using is NC25. I'm just going to go ahead and apply that with a concealer brush under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, my forehead, over my lip, and under my lip. And then I'm just going to make sure to blend that out using a beauty blender. Oh, and by the way, I did forget to mention that when I use a beauty blender, I do make sure to wet the beauty blender so that it's damp. Okay, so I do want my eyes to look really bright today, so I am going to go ahead and bake. I am using the Loreal Mercier powder, the L'Oreal Mercier translucent powder, and I'm just going to apply that with a beauty blender and let it sit there while I contour. Alright, so to contour, I am going to be using the ABH Contour Kit. The brush that I'm using is a Real Technique 301 brush, which is going to be an extremely good brush when you want a really defined contour. Since this is a Kim-inspired look, you know I am contouring to the gods because she is the queen of contouring. Now, once I'm finished contouring my nose, I am going to go ahead and take a powder brush just to blend out that powder that I had sitting on my face. So now for blush, I am going to be using the Tarte Paaarty blush, which I absolutely love. It's one of my favorites. Then to highlight, I am using the ABH Glow Sugar Kit, and I am going to be using the shade Gumdrop, which I think is an absolutely super pretty color. Now to blend that out, I usually use a fan brush, but since I want something a little bit more natural, I am going to be using my beauty blender just because it makes it look a little bit more dewy on the skin. And lastly, for my lips, I am going to be lining them using the MAC lip liner. This is the shade Boldly Bare. Now, keep in mind, I do usually overline my lips, so it does take me a little bit longer than usual. Now, once I'm done lining my lips, then I am going to apply some lipstick. The one that I am using is from Clinique and is the shade Blushing Pop, which is 01. Then I am going to be going over with some lip gloss. I am using the Bare Mineral Marvelous Moxie Lip Gloss. This is the shade Super Power. Alright, so once I'm finished, I am going to spray a little bit of the MAC Prep+Prime Fix Plus spray just to make sure that my makeup stays in place. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys like it. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to leave me any comments. Bye guys!